on, everybody? We're at one of my favorite little fishing holes. Looks like storm's rolling in, so we're gonna hit it quickly. Hopefully we'll beat the rain. Can use some bright color lures. Hopefully get a couple bass, maybe even a pike. It's all looking so gray and ominous. Yeah, that's the word. Boom. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we get some fish and we can actually make a video. Boom. Got him. Not this time, buddy. What do we got here? Yeah. What I'm talking about. Woohoo! It's not bad. Woohoo! It's not a bad bass. Woohoo! Put this guy back. It's the X-Zone trailer, the Adrenaline Craw. I don't know whose buzzbait this is, but it's worked great. Good colors. There's a storm rolling in, so I figured I'd go with white. Never really used white baits before, but so far so good. Seems to work. It was good. First bass of the day. Let's see if we can maybe catch a few more. I don't think you understand how happy I am. Been fishing little spurts here and there this week, but I've caught nothing. I've had a few pike bites, missed hook sets. Oh, that felt good. Oh, that felt good. Oh, I'm happy. I can go back to trawling now. Might switch to chatterbait. That's what I was about to leave too. I gotta go make lunch for my son. There's a little 1.5-pounder. There you go. Yeah. What we got here? Oh, and another one. Smaller this time. Oh, let's see what the hook is on this guy. Before I hook myself. Oh, yeah. Nope. Not today, buddy. Let's lost this guy. Get him nice and clean. And another one. A little guy. Almost a pound, probably. Get a picture of you. Get you back in the water. gonna let this guy go. Gone.